Imagine waking up tomorrow. Every headline says the same thing. Artificial intelligence has replaced every human job. Doctors, lawyers, engineers, pilots, even CEOs no longer needed. Millions of people leave work for the very last time. If artificial intelligence can do every job better than humans, what will be left for us? It all began with what historians would later call the last human workday. Around the world, millions arrived at work just like every other morning. But inside research laboratories, something far more powerful had quietly arrived. Artificial intelligence wasn't just learning anymore, it was surpassing humanity. Businesses quickly realized machines could work every second of every day. Within only a few years, the world of work would never be the same again. It didn't happen overnight. It happened one profession at a time. Factories were the first. Machines could build faster than any human. Soon, hospitals trusted artificial intelligence more than human hands. Then classrooms, offices, and even creative studios began to change. No profession was truly safe, not even the most respected ones. Within a decade, the greatest workforce in history was no longer human. As millions lost their jobs, the global economy began to transform. Salaries disappeared, but production reached levels never seen before. Goods became cheaper because artificial intelligence never stopped working. Governments faced an impossible question. How would people survive without income? A new economic system slowly emerged, built around artificial intelligence. The world's greatest source of wealth was no longer oil. It was intelligence itself. For the first time in history, billions of people no longer needed a job to survive. Time became humanity's most valuable possession. People stopped asking, "What do you do?" and started asking, "Who are you?" Creativity, curiosity, and exploration became the new purpose of life. But freedom without purpose became a silent struggle for millions. Humanity had solved the problem of work, but not the search for meaning. But every great technological revolution has always come with a price. The more humanity depended on AI, the more vulnerable civilization became. A single failure could affect billions of lives. The greatest danger was never the machines, but how humans chose to use them. Technology can increase our power, but it cannot replace our values. The future will not be decided by artificial intelligence. It will be decided by us. The future has never been written. It is created by every choice we make today. Artificial intelligence is only a tool. The future depends on the wisdom of humanity. The question is no longer what AI can become. The real question is what kind of humanity we choose to become. The next chapter of history has not been programmed yet. It will be written by us. The future isn't something we wait for. It's something we create. Artificial intelligence may shape tomorrow, but humanity will always decide what tomorrow becomes. What do you think? Will AI replace every job on Earth? Or will humans always remain irreplaceable? Share your thoughts below.